Hello folks, it's Friday. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be showing you how we built a few years ago a can house slash storm shelter. There's the finished product there. We lived in a double wide at the time and we didn't really have nowhere to go in case it did storm, and we didn't really have nowhere for our cans, but we used a 1,500-gallon water tank. And there you can see I drew out for the door, and we'll see here in just a minute I rented a masonry saw. There it is, and you just cut your hole for your door there. Just do some measuring. Now you won't be mounting the door to the water tank itself. You'll see we used 4x4s and put them in the ground and then bolted them to the tank. Real sturdy design. There you can see the 4x4s. You can see that little notch there at my hand. We cut that out for the doorknob to where it would be able to open and close. Alright, there's a picture with the door. And then just on the top, just drop your 4x4 down, seal it up. And we're going to be putting cross ties in along the sides there. That way when you backfill, it won't roll out down into the front of the door or anything. I don't know how much cross ties and that tank costs nowadays. It wasn't really that much back then. No telling nowadays though what it is costing. But it made a good can house, good storm shelter. There you can see how long ago it was. Look, there's Daniel. Two of our good old dogs we had. There you can see the vent pipe sticking out the top. Look at there, no gray hair. Golly. Me and Daniel went ahead and painted the inside with some paint to keep the water from coming in, but I don't think we'd have had to worry about that anyway. We just did it to be on the safe side. Now you can see the cross ties there. We stood them up. We're going to fix a roof on it here. And down at the bottom we fixed it to where the dirt couldn't push it in the same way at the top. There we're backfilling the dirt around it. But it's got quite a bit of room inside. Like I said, it's a 1,500-gallon water tank, water reservoir. Here we're fixing the shelves. Good and cool in the summertime in there, and it actually stays pretty warm in the wintertime. Like I said, folks, this is just giving you an idea in case you ever need to build a storm shelter or a can house or something. There we're putting the roof on it. That'll help shade it and everything. And actually up there now where it sits at, the grass and stuff, you just let it grow up around it. You can't even really tell it's there. We'll see here shortly. We put a door there in the front. Oh yeah, inside in here I made a bench And we keep our taters stored in there. It stays good and cool in there. Taters keep good. Apples keep good in there. And it's a bench for us to sit down to ride out the storm. There you can see the door, the gate we fixed on the front of it there. We used utility wire. You can lock it up. Folks, I hope y'all have a great day. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. And I hope y'all have a good weekend too. Y'all take care, and we'll see you Monday, Lord willing.